letting go.
letting go
And forgiveness.
You're always reminded of the pain the person caused you.
Yes, and that's really painful, you know.
But at the same time, if you're able to overcome it and move past it, doon pumapasok yung laki ng love. The gravity of love depends on the gravity of how much you can forgive. Pwede namang mahal mo, tapos papatawarin mo, pero end na.
Ayun, that's letting go.
Kailan yung ilalaban at kailan yung bibitawan?
Palagi ko sinasabi na ang pagpapakatanga, requirement yan sa pag-ibig. Pero for the right person lang. Because when you're in love, marami kang papalampasin eh. Nung hindi pa siya yung mahal mo, ayaw mo yung bagay na ginagawa sa'yo na gano'n. Ang una mong goal is to know whether the person is deserving of your stupidity. Naniniwala po ko na sa relasyon, babae talaga ang boss. That's coming from a guy, ah.
Ang babae nagdadala.
Yes, ma'am. Pero, your duty as a woman is to make us feel that we are the boss. Halimbawa, ma'am,
True.
kurtina ng bahay. So, you allow your husband to choose. So, red, black, blah, blah, blah. You have 5 favorite colors. Anong gusto mong kurtina? And the guy would say, red. Kahit anong mangyari, kami namili, pero panalo ka pa rin. Why? Because you gave us the choices. That's very tricky. But we feel like, ako namili ng kurtina namin. Pero totoo niyan, favorite mami limang yun eh. So it's your duty to make us feel that. Huwag mo kaming hubaran ng pride.
May nabasa ako na if you talk to your husband like a king, he will show up like a king.
Yes, ma'am.
In a
Totoo yan.
relationship. But if you talk down to your husband like a loser, he will be a loser in a relationship.
Ang babae at lalaki, we measure love differently, ma'am. Ang babae, you measure love with the little things that we do for you.
We are about the details.
Yes, ma'am.
The smallest things, big deal sa amin yan.
Say, for example, binilang kita ng bouquet, the biggest bouquet of flowers I can buy. Pero pinahatid ko lang sa driver ko. That wouldn't mean anything to you. Compared sa, bumitas ako ng bulaklak sa gilid at inabot ko sa'yo ng personal. That means the world. So, ganun mag-measure ang babae ng pagmamahal. Kami naman, lalaki, iba naman ang pag-measure namin. We measure love with the amount of respect we enjoy from you. Case in point, halimbawa, yung jowa ko po, hindi ako sinasama pag lumalabas sila ng friends niya. Eh kasi nung sinama ka niya one time siguro, nagsisimangot ka doon. Hindi niya sama talaga. Kahihiyan ka lang doon eh. Mabastos siya. So hindi ka niya sasama. Kukwentuhan ka na lang niya. Pero kung masarap ka kasama, baka mamaya hindi siya pupunta pag di ka kasama.